Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. What do we have here? We have a portfolio review from one of my VBA students. His name is Kelly. I have asked them to give me a description of their ideal client avatar. If you're inside of my VBA or if you've taken the ideal client avatar course, you'll know what that is. The ideal client avatar, for those that don't know what it is, it's like this imaginary client that you base every single business decision off of them. What you post, how you post, what you write in the captions, what you shoot, what you show in your portfolio, how you price, how you email, whatever you do, everything has to bring your ideal client avatar to you. You want to skip 99% of the market. So I'm going to read, this is Kelly's request, okay? These poor people, I trapped them into it. So here we go. Kelly says a whole bunch of mumbo jumbo, and this is going to be my first time looking at his portfolio in a long time. So my client is a founder, a fashion blogger or content creator building a values-driven brand. What the hell does that mean, Kelly? A value brand. What is that? Is she selling churros? If churros have value to me. Is she on the street selling tacos? They have a lot of value to me. So I want you to define who that is. They care more about how their brand feels than how it looks. Interesting line to say that. They care more how their brand feels and how it looks. To one extent, I understand that we buy off of emotions, but looking is also important. And they can sense immediately when content is empty. AI, soulless, generic, stock photography. They are done with generic photography. See? They're done with generic photography and want images that prove somebody actually understood their vision. Lots of vague, we're living in the city of Vagueville on Vague Drive. And if you just go, it's somewhere on the left, vague directions. I already know Kelly's ideal client avatar. Her name is Margot. Then the second half of this, he starts giving me some stuff to throw me off. And that's to save his butt from the roasting. But here we go. I am going to look at this from Margot's point of view. She's based out of LA. She probably lives in the Beverly Hills, Bel Air area. She probably has a husband who is working, and the kids have started to kind of stand on their own 2 feet, and so she likely might be saying, I want something for me. I want to build something for me, whether it's a boutique or a company. So she's putting herself first, and good for her. And so people like Kelly might be able to really, really help her out. I always say, I love the fact that Kelly has big images. It's very, very arrogant when you say, boom, here you go. That's what I do. And I want that kind of arrogance in your portfolio. So if I am Margot and I'm looking at this, dead lady by the river, that's very common in LA. He stole this location from me, for the record, everybody. And then this is gorgeous too. But this is not gorgeous. This needs a lot of work. And I have told Kelly multiple times, this is gorgeous, Catherine Zeta-Jones vibes. So that one that I said is not gorgeous, how the human eye looks at things is, everything is great. Ooh, that one thing is off. Why is that one thing is off? Why is that one thing off? Why did they do that? I wonder. Now all my attention has gone into that one thing that is off and off of the things that are great. When we get back to that image, I wonder if I can pause this. It's flat. I barely see the face. I see the hole in the dress where the light comes through right here. Okay, I see the wrinkles, I see the arm, I don't see her. That's weak. Why would you do that? I've asked you multiple times, Kelly, to remove that, but it's your future, so that's fine. I've also asked you to, actually, this is a beautiful image. The rest of them are excellent, so let me stop the roasting. Now we go down to the goals to infuse fashion, movement, and mood into the frame. Makes me kind of go, what does that mean? Think of it from a Margot point of view. She's an entrepreneur. Don't just give it to her. Spoon feed it to her and just give it to her and say, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make you look beautiful, make you look effortless, make you look in control. And Margot is going to understand that. The viewer will understand infuse fashion. What's that mean otherwise to a Margot? Know who your ideal client avatar is. My work lives where fashion meets emotion. That wokey, and I'm a woke person, that wokey at the intersection of, cut it. Cut it. What does that mean, fashion meets emotion? I create beautiful imagery that shows a woman's beauty through a variety of emotions. That at least is more of like a spoonful of information. Make it easy for them to understand. Based in Los Angeles, available worldwide. Good job on that one. Get in touch. There's a lot of dead space here, so I'd like for you to just shrink that if you can. All right, let's go into the little burger menu. Ooh, what do we go first? Do we do contact? But I've told you, Kelly, this is for everybody. Contact and about, that's Department of Redundancy Department. Put them together. Because so imagine me on my phone and I'm like this. I'll be an LA person. Having my mocha latte. You made me scroll all the way down. Now I'm like, about or contact? About or contact? I don't know. Don't make me have decisions to make. So about page, contact page. I want to go to the about page because I want to know who you are. But if I like you, why not put the contact form down here? Why make me go all the way up to this little burger and then go to the contact page? Why did you make it hard for me? Margot was busy. Make it easy for Margot, for the love of God. Get the orange cones off the road so she can drive to you and give you her money. Respectfully. Only Kelly knows what that means. That's Kelly. I know what Kelly looks like. I like to, Kelly, even maybe you didn't use AI, use the AI, get rid of the AI dashes. Just do it because it makes people underestimate you. I like to think of myself as an explorer of the visual language. I don't care what you like to think. I want to know how you're going to help me, Margot. An image creator who captures emotions through my lens. Here's why. Margot's bored. I care about the light. I don't care what you care about. How are you going to help me? Y'all probably think I'm an ass. I am. The kind of light that spills through the trees, bounces off the concrete, and cuts through the fog. Alive, shifting, stubborn. I don't tame it. I move with it. Here's what I would rather do. I don't want to read this. Maybe I'll read about 5 lines max. I don't want to read this. What I want is what I've told you before. Put a video on top here. This, again, is Department of Redundancy Department. Love the song, good actions. Wait a minute. Can't I see all this stuff here? Why am I watching it twice? Why don't I get this handsome man talking to the camera, very raw, and say something like, hey, my name is Kelly, so I'm a photographer in LA. But I want to let you know about my style of shooting because this is how I can really, really help you elevate. You. One thing that I can shoot fashion. I love fashion. I live, I breathe fashion. But I particularly love fashion when it comes to a certain type of woman who is refined, who is her own, like she's becoming her own self in the professional space. She is a founder. Might be a podcast host. She could be a CEO, but she's always in control of her life, personally and professionally. She knows that she wants to look good. She knows that she delivers the real deal in all aspects of her life, and she just wants that mirrored through beautiful photography that isn't just pushing a button, but somebody has actually done the research to find out who they are. To me, that's what I like to do with all of my clients. I want to make sure that they feel so represented, so well taken care of, that they know that I am the perfect choice every time. I help them elevate their visuals for their brand, for themselves, for their team. So if you're interested in that kind of photography, if you're interested in that kind of creative consultation and thinking and making sure that your DNA is in the photos as much as mine is, and we do something beautiful together, then go ahead and fill out the contact form down below. On the spot, I just did it like that. I care about light. The kind that spills through the trees, bounces off concrete, cuts through the fog, alive, shifting, stubborn. I don't tame it, I move it. Get out of here with that. Make it easy for Margot to hire you. So if you are a Kelly and this resonates with you, get out of here with that. Go make it easy for Margot so she doesn't have to solve a puzzle. Margot ain't got time for that. Spoon feed it to your ideal client avatar. All right, here we go. Let's go into the actual work also. Selected work, we have 2 choices, lifestyle and fashion. I swear to God, Kelly, if I even see duplicates, because we've talked about this before. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Horrible. Great. Love a crotch and a half a purse shot. Yikes. Why would you not take this inquisitive woman here who looks beautiful and playful? And why would you not put her here? And then even if you have to generative expand, not your photography, just the sides, or fade it out into white, why would she not be the backdrop? She is your Margot. Why? Why not Cougar lady here? I think she's the same lady. Gorgeous image. She's looking well, on you guys, it's this side. She's looking to my left. What a beautiful place to put your logo. Kelly, who realizes her client is a founder, a blogger, a content creator, building a high values-driven brand. She looks at these things. She looks at branding. She looks and sees how things are placed. Her brain may not see things, like her brain may not process it. Oh, let's see how he does branding. But her brain will say, this is the right move, this is the wrong move. Oh, you regret this day, Kelly. Here we go. In the history of all things holy, never have I loved a picture where girls like this with the hair or like this or like this. This is not comfortable. This is amateur. This is a person who has not told the model to feel comfortable, has not made the model comfortable. So when I see that, I think to myself, yikes on bikes, she's not comfortable. We've talked about this, Kelly. But for the internet, this is new. It's not even your best image, to be honest with you. Her face is flat. It's not lit enough. It's underexposed. I want to know what that stem is. I know it's a rose stem coming out of her hand, but this, pretty hands though she has. Okay, here we go. Great. Kelly, I've seen your work. This is excellent, Cheetah Lady. This is very, very cool. This is awesome. I'm sure she's a lovely lady. I'm sure she's great. These three girls need to be on top. They're substantially stronger. They're well lit. They're evenly lit. They're relatable. Her pants are wrinkled. You could fix that. But they're so relatable. Everybody can see themselves here. Oh, good, clean, even lighting. This image is so, I love it because it has emotion. It's so, get in the car, we're going to ruin someone's life. But you know what I would love to do is to remove the person in the back working. 3 of this guy. These 3 could work together. See, at least this is cropped better than here where I almost called the police. It's so bad, Kelly. Okay, so let's go into selected work again and check out the fashions. Man, and you even doubled down and made her the thumbnail? Let's talk about this. What I'm seeing first is this light. That's the first thing I'm seeing. It's like an orca eye. Not into it. Then I'm seeing all the little wrinkles, which I understand that sort of material will have wrinkles. Then I'm like, oh, there's a woman there with way too much eye makeup. Her skin is not like glowy enough. Hers is, but let's go check it out. She's got to go, Kelly. She's got to go. She's got to go. She's got to go. She has got to go. And when I say go, she needs to go to Photoshopville and just lift a little bit, raise the curves a little bit, play and see what you get a little bit, a lot bit. Okay, but this one needs some help, and I've told you that before. So let's work on that, please. Beautiful. I already told you this before, though. See these field images, this hair thing, to be contradictory, actually really, really works. It's gorgeous. The backlight, the way it comes in, doesn't cut off the eye, is gorgeous. The field, you're welcome for the location. I told them about that location. This is great. This is decent. It's just that it doesn't compare to her. Kelly. This is artistic, cool. This is great lighting, great. This is horrible. Take it off. It's not horrible because it's horrible. This belongs in the other one because look, what I'm looking at, you got to understand it from Margot's point of view. I want to make it easy. For the love of God, I have to get contracts approved. I have to get budgets approved. I have to get a lot of things approved. I got to feed these kids. I got to watch this husband to make sure that he's not flirting with the secretary. I got to go shop. I got to have the latest allergy in LA that everybody has. It's gluten or it's this or that. I'm in LA, so I can make fun of it, so I'm allowed. I don't have time for my subconscious to be like, everything is gorgeous, warm, 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 black and white, artistic. Yikes. On a bike, because she's on a bike. It's cool, it's blue, it doesn't fit in. I'm just gonna keep focusing on that. That's so interesting. Let me start critiquing it. When I really should be looking at this princess of the sea coming out of the water. When I really should be looking at this Catherine Zeta-Jones dream. When I really should be looking at something that I'm like, oh, I could really see that framed. But I noticed that you've been there twice. It's great, but one or the other. This is a stunning image. Beautiful image. That should be an art piece. This is beautiful, but then I see this. So, but either way, they can both live. They can live. Yo, take her off your portfolio. Off. Give me your login. I'm about to delete it. And then this, I'm going to call the police, Kelly. Here's why. Oh, look at the bottom of the shoes. I wonder what brand the shoes are. Ah. Okay, those are her legs. Okay. Oh, there's a dress on. It just matches the rock. Oh, armpit chic. Okay. Did she really shave all the way? She might have missed a little spot. This is not it, Kelly. So now I have missed. This image here has received so much of my attention. Think of me as a Margot. That, and then I'm slightly offended by this one here, that I've missed the absolute gorgeousness of this angel wings. Thank you for messing up your own portfolio. It's not doing you any favors. Let her live. Let her have her moment. She's so beautiful. This is such a gorgeous image. I mean, this is stunning, but because you're putting vertical images, she gets lost. So I would just look at a different template for the sake of making some of your horizontals have a different life, not you. You're beautiful. You know, everything else is vertical, so she's lost just because of spacing. So just think about that for a second. Great, great, lovely, gorgeous light. Trader Joe's flowers. I'll put $10 on that. That's Trader Joe's flowers. Beautiful image. Beautiful, beautiful. See, this works too. I'm getting a shape. Gorgeous image. Is that you, Kelly? Is that you? I'm confused. Because I'm just seeing... we've talked about this before. So this is for the public roasting aspect of it. Because I have told you, wait a minute. It's actually a cool image of him. I'm sure he's a great guy. Nice outfit. Beautiful women. Oh, at the end, there's a man holding a camera. All women, one man. Of course, that's you, Kelly. That's what Kelly looks like. Okay, that's what he looks like. Okay, great. Keep in mind, I'm Margot. Wait, what? What? Then who is this? You're putting orange cones in the road to success. Kelly, work on those things. Your work is beautiful. Keep at it. You already know this. I want to see Kelly talk. I want to see Kelly talk. I want to see Kelly talk. Because when I see Kelly talking, I have now, let's go bigger so I can really scream. I have now given Kelly permission to talk to me. Whether I'm sitting at home, at my desk, on a walk, on my phone, in my office, laying in bed. I've given you permission to talk to me because I've pushed the play. And then you're going to be like, hey, my name is Kelly. I'm a photographer. And I'm like, whoa, he's speaking to me because we have done the ideal client avatar exercise. So we know who your ideal client avatar is. Yours is Margot. Yo, he's speaking to me. This is so perfect. And because I have pushed play, I've given you access into my private life, I automatically like you more than the next photographer. So if it's between Kelly or the other person, Kelly or the other person, I don't know. I just feel like I know Kelly a little bit more. Good work is like the baseline, but I want to like you. Buying a psychology. Hope this helps you guys. VBA is linked down below. I have a ton of amazing courses, and go ahead and send Kelly some support comments below. Thank you. Bye. Thanks, Kelly.